California Car Duster Dust and Dry Detailing Kit includes everything you need to maintain your vehicle's appearance. The kit starts with a classic California car duster with a plastic handle. The car duster features the company's signature wax-treated cotton mop. The cotton mop lifts and removes light daily dust without scratching. For the interior, use the California Mini Duster to remove dust from your vehicle's dashboard, center console, and door panels. The Mini Duster's compact size is ideal for use inside your vehicle. It features the same wax-treated cotton mop as the standard size car duster. Use the microfiber wheel duster to remove light daily dust from your vehicle's wheels. The wheel duster features a soft microfiber loop mop and unique split fork design to effectively clean your car's wheels. When it's time to wash your vehicle, use the California Dry Blade to remove water once clean. The soft and flexible dry blade quickly removes water without scratching. It reduces the risk of water spotting, plus saves you time and towels. Use the California Car Duster Dust and Dry Detailing Kit to keep your vehicle clean.